Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature this spring and summer's hottest haircut trends, and that is the look of the butterfly, the wolf cut, and shaggy haircut styles. Our first hairstyle will be the butterfly haircut. The butterfly haircut is inspired by 90s layered hair, but in the form of a much softer and flattering modern variation, perfect for women of today. This style typically can be spotted on longer strands and breathes life into boring hair by mixing in shape to grown-out textures. Traditionally, it features curtain-style bangs to frame out the jawline, with many layers following the bangs for dramatic, effortless effect to create movement, volume, and bold, luscious locks. The wolf cuts. This viral haircut grabs its name from TikTok and features an in-between look of the butterfly cut and the modern mullet. It features layered hair typically on the medium length or shoulder length strands, but can also be achieved in the longer hair as well. The main difference between the Wolfcut and the butterfly is really in the styling. The Wolfcut showcases more of a dramatic flipped appearance within the layers and can often have fringe-style bangs as well as curtain bangs. The layers are also a bit more choppy in appearance versus the butterfly cut. Think of the Wolfcut as the sister cut to the butterfly, but more tousled and undone. And last but not least, we have the shaggy haircut. This is a retro hairstyle that takes us back to the 70s and can be spotted this season in the form of longer hair, mid-length hair, and Evie shaggy style pixie cuts. Traditionally, it consists of layers that are feathered at the top and sides, making the hair full around the crown and thinner around the edges throughout the ends. It's a nice mixture of choppy layers like the Wolfcut, as well as voluminous fullness from the butterfly, infusing a look that is truly the best of both worlds. So let us know in the comments below, which haircut will you be rocking this spring and summer season? If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button if you want to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. And we will of course see you in the next video.